Those who practice Dhamma and whose action is right will cross the Nibbana, the deathless. Dhammapad 86. The realms of her, which Mara has sway, are difficult to be crossed. Only those who quite righteously follow the way indicated in the well-articulated teachings of the Buddha will be able to cross these realms that are so difficult to cross. But they who practice Dhamma according to Dhamma well told, from death's dominion hard to live, they will cross to the further shore. Dhammapad 86. Ye sokho sammadakhate dhamme dhammanubattino te jana paramechanti mochidhyayang saduttarang. Dhammapad 86.